Hey everybody, it's Graham Johnson together with Ludwig Altin, and we're back to show you this is the third of 3 installation videos to help you get up and running with AutoPack and ePMV inside of 3D Studio Max 2013 64-bit specifically. So you've already visited autopack.org, you're excited, you want to get up and running, you've already fulfilled the prerequisites by following the first 2 videos, and that was in the first video, and you've already installed the autoPack plugin itself. And all we need to do now, we're on the installation page, is to take care of this change viewport driver to OpenGL, and I'll show you when and where that's necessary. It might not be necessary for everybody, it depends what you want to do with the software. And I'll show you how to build a couple of icons so you can have easy access from within 3D Studio Max. Alright, so we've come this far and just need to fire up 3D Studio Max right now. And I will hide Google Chrome. Okay, so we've got Max going. When you come in initially, the first thing you want to do is gain access to the plugin. So let's click Customize, Customize User Interface, and again I'm just following those instructions from Chrome. And what I've been doing, I'm sure there are better ways to do this, is I click on the Toolbars icon, Toolbars tab, and filter the category down to show only the uPy plugins. uPy plugins, bam. And I'm going to grab AutoCell and drag it over, and grab ePMV and drag it over. And if they come in below this line, you should see some icons up here. We need to move them above the line, so just bump it up above the line, move up, move up. This worked earlier, and not sure what the problem is. Let's try to reset. Yes. Okay, now we'll drag in AutoCell, drag in ePMV, see if we can bump them up. Yes, it works. And now we've got 2 icons, ePMV on the right, AutoCell on the left. We can close this, and let's just start ePMV, and I'll show you why you might want to change the OpenGL if you have any issues. Now, because I'm running on an Amazon machine, I can only run in OpenGL for the viewports, so you won't be able to see the effects, but I'll try to describe them to you. So there are overview videos to explain what ePMV is and how it works, but right now I'm just going to blast through it to get this functioning, to show you what some of the issues are. Command W, zoom in. So I fetched a molecule, I'm zooming in on it, and I want to check MSMS, or let's check a simpler one so we can move it around a little faster. Coarse MS, and let's change the size. Now, if you're using the default viewport engine and you try to update the color, if you're following some of the tutorials, you update the color, this might not change. And to get that to take effect, you need to go Customize, Preferences, Viewports, under Display Drivers, choose Driver, and change from the default of nitrous to OpenGL, and click OK. And when you do that, you should have no problem updating. and we're working to get the nitrous engine functioning, but this is an alpha, or if you're downloading this later in November, it's a beta version of the plugin, so it might be a while. But speaking of that, this is very important. If you have ePMV or autoPack open, you can come under Help, check for updates. You don't have to go through that installation process. If there's a new update available online, it'll tell you that one is available, and you can back up your previous one just by following these instructions. And all you have to do is restart 3D Studio Max, and you'll have the latest, greatest version. Hope that helps. Please post any questions you have on the forum if you get stuck during installation. We're pretty quick about helping you. And also post some of your gallery images on the forum, or email them to us directly so we can post them in the gallery. Thanks very much.